Welcome to the AirDL Module Builder. This is a core feature of the AirDL that allows you to both build and share your own augmented reality creations with friends, family, and users for absolutely free. This software is one of a kind for both teachers and students because it allows for the quick and easy creation of AR to be shared with people that don't even own the software. You can create your models in programs such as Google SketchUp and import them directly into the builder. Or if you're not much of a modeler, don't even worry about it. You can use an amazing free database called Google Warehouse that has millions and millions of models that have been uploaded from people all over the world. With one click, you can import any model you want directly into Google SketchUp, and from there you can export it straight into the module builder. We will give you a quick demonstration of how to use the module builder utilizing a module that I built earlier so you can see the amazing versatility and abilities of this unique program. We can seamlessly integrate audio, text, objects, and models in just a matter of minutes that you can then turn around and share with whomever you want. This is a great tool for teachers creating lessons, students making a community project, or just to have fun. As you can see, we have already loaded 6 models into the module builder. In order to add a model, all you have to do is just click on this plus button up top and locate your files. After your models are imported, it's time to start our model setup that consists of choosing which petal we'd like our models to appear on, the size of the model, position the model, and setting up our rules and triggers. First, let's walk through a module I already set up. I first assigned all my petals to a specific model. In order to set up your rules and triggers for each petal, all you have to do is select the model, proceed to the top right of the screen where it says rules, and click the plus button. Our first model is called Arrows Out. Now when I go over to my rules section, you see that when I selected my number 1 paddle, I put the Arrows Out model on it, and that when it appears on screen, it is going to show my model. Our next model is called Earth. After I've assigned it to petal 2, I decided that I would like to add some text to the information petal so that my users can know which planet it is and learn a little more information about it as they're using it. This information will appear when you bring our iPetal within close proximity to paddle number 2, which is our Earth model. Next, I will set up our rules. The first one being that as my petal is shown, it will actually trigger to show my model on the screen. I also set up a trigger for that when it comes within a certain proximity to paddle number 1, that's actually going to rotate it 180 degrees. My last paddle that I set up is the magnifying glass. I set up my rules so that when paddle number 3 comes within a close proximity to the Earth, it is going to resize the Earth model, which is on paddle number 2, 200%. Now let's check out this module in our web camera mode by just going down and clicking Run in webcam mode. Alrighty, you can see that as I bring the one paddle close to the other one, that it flipped my model 180 degrees. Now over here we have our magnifying glass. We set up our rules so that when it comes close enough to this model, it increases it 200%. We can bring it to the web camera to inspect it a little bit closer. And lastly, we have our information paddle that as it comes within a certain proximity to the screen, it actually shows us some text about the Earth. Now let's have a little more fun. I imported 3 other models that are a present, Santa Claus head, and a snowman head. I set up all 3 models to appear as soon as the paddle is shown. Another amazing part about the module builder is that we can actually play sounds as well. So what I set up this trigger as soon as the model is shown on screen, it is going to play a sound. We can add sounds by going down to our result settings and clicking the plus button, finding our audio file, and merely just importing it. Alrighty, now let's check out the module that we just created. Alrighty, we have our number 3 paddle on here is our snowman, and here we got our present. It just made the sound as soon as it got showed. You can see top right that if you guys are interested in doing any still capture or video capture, you can actually be using the model at the same time, so you can share it with your friends, your family, or fellow students. And lastly, we have our Santa Claus. If for some reason you do not have a web camera and you would like to view this newly created module in mouse mode, all you have to do is click down here and run in mouse mode. You can see the exact same module and interactions as you would with a web camera. The possibilities of what types of modules you create with AirDL Module Builder are only limited by your imagination. We have been seeing some amazing things from our users located all throughout the world. Just the other day, we had a student share with us their augmented reality drum kit that they made. They linked each pedal to a sound and created their own one-man band. It was amazing. There's one great thing about the sharing feature. For absolutely free, you can share any module by filling out this author information down below, logging in, and clicking Share with Internet. Us here at Digital Tech Frontier are really excited to see what types of modules you come up with. All you have to do is just send us the URL, and we are excited to check it out. So start building today. Let's build a future of augmented reality together.